Is right, if the government is right and the president's address is right, there is going to be an upsurge of 10% in industrial development. If investments and industries pick up, this import policy will not lead to any economy. A rupees 100 crore reduction in imports will not come about. Therefore, I leave this point by saying that the import policy of the government is good and is necessary for what I call non-important items that we need to have outside the import policy. Therefore, I want to plead in the House with the government for a national energy policy. Mr. Vice Chairman, I am one of the economists who has studied the energy problem and published a possible national policy under which there can be at least 25% economy in the next year in our use of crude and petroleum products. It is not the time to go into them, and it does not apply to the Ministry of Commerce. But the deficits in our imports, which are primarily due to the deficits in import of crude oil, for a national energy policy which is urgently needed. Once again, would plead for this, as this is one of the means of getting our imports in some sort of in line with our exports. As far as fertilizers, edible oils and cement are concerned, I do not see any reason why we are continuing these large and increasing imports of these items instead of utilizing the existing capacity of our units fully. The story of capacity utilization in fertilizers and cement companies for the last year makes sad reading. Therefore, outside the import policy, the government needs to take action on these two groups of items, the crude oil and petroleum, and the fertilizers, the edible oils and cement, to make us more self-reliant and self-sufficient in our production as one of the means of having our imports in line with our exports. My whole comment, Mr. Vice Chairman, is with regard to our exports. We have planned in the 7th plan for exports amounting to rupees 900 crores, and the new policy which has been set forth comprises of more items placed under open general license, controls on a large number of units, removed 12 items, added to the banned list, making a total of 71 items, and 3 items decancelled also. This gradual taking away of controls shall help the industry to grow in the right directions as envisaged in the budget.